to have gathered today for a celebration, a way of Thanksgiving. This afternoon, we will witness the pupils as they showcase all the learning they have during their pre-elementary years in this institution. And Sophia Bartolaba, Prep Club pupil, will now share to us her opening remarks. Let us give her a round of applause. To our dear cluster president, Sister Zenaida S. Condes DC, Madam Ingrid M. Bohon, our principal, sisters, teachers, school administration, parents, relatives, friends, guests, good afternoon. Today marks the most exciting and memorable event in our lives, our culminating day. We have spent more or less 3 years in our pre-elementary level with solid grounding in essential values and fun-filled learning experiences to prepare us to more challenging years, the elementary level. As we grow deeper and wider, and with the enormous support and encouragement of our teachers, we have learned a lot of wonderful things that mold us, who we are, and what we will become as God's little children. As our way of showing our love and gratefulness to all of you, we have prepared a simple yet meaningful program that will showcase our learnings through songs, dances, poems, and pantomime. We hope you will enjoy our presentation. Thank you very much and good day to all. Thank you, Aunt Sophia. Today we are grateful to celebrate our Thanksgiving for our pre-elementary years. This is not the end, yet this is the beginning of another journey, a journey towards peace, and it begins with me. So as we journey onwards, may we be guided in our path with you, our dear parents and guardians. Let us now welcome the pre-pupils in their opening song, Yesterday's Dream. A round of applause.